Luxury problems comes directly to your home. The LP blender is a multi-talent and can be used wet and dry. Under the water, the LP blender expands to a way larger size and gets super soft and fluffy, which is amazing for liquid products like serum, cream, fluid foundation, and aftershave. Here an example how you can use the LP blender wet. For makeup application, here for example, for fluid foundation, you can use the LP blender to have an even more flawless look than you usually have with any other blenders. With the peak side, you can work very detailed under the eyes, on the nose, in your lip area, but also on your forehead. Of course, the LP blender can be used for contouring as well, as you can see here. Use the peak side for hard lines and the round and soft side to create a flawless, blur out look. Now it's time for some powder. Here you use the sponge dry. Under the eyes, you can use highlighting powder. And of course, with the peak side of the dry sponge, you can create a nice contouring again. Use the round side to blur everything out and have a flawless contouring. And now it's getting hot. Luxury Problems developed a shape in a super high quality that allows us to create a super flawless blush effect. And for all the shimmery glam queens and kings out there, of course you can use the LP blender for shimmery highlighter as well. What are you waiting for? Get your LP blender now.